Talk to me, honey. Stevie, what do you think? You don't what? What do you think? Well, I was talking to Stevie, honey. Tell me. What do you think? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. You can't either? What do you like to do? What? Do you like to talk with your hands? No? Hi, Avon. We're talking to Stevie right now. What else do you have to say, Stevie? Really? No way. Can you believe your hand did that? No, I can't either. Wow. What do you think? Oh, is that waves? You'd like to dance? Is that what you like to do? Dance? Do you like to dance? Oh, yes you do. Yes you do.